go! Read your Bible, pray every day. Pray every day.
Nasaan nyo?
Pray
Ay,
every
panoorin
day.
niya.
Read your Bible, pray every day, and you grow, grow, grow.
Pabili po ng alaalang masaya, panghimagas ko sa buhay at siyang aking pahinga. Pabili po ng relos kahit wala ng baterya, nang dumungaw lang muli ang nalimutang pahina. Pwede bang pautang muna ng tahol ng aso naming matagal? Tagal ko nang hindi nakakapiling. Pabili po sa tindahan ng mga alaala. Pabili po ng sasakyang dati na pinaglumaan, baka sakaling maihatid sa paborito kong sinehan. Pabili po ng pambili noong aking kabataan, baka sakaling makabili ng paborito kong laruan. Pabili ng ginamit kong lapis sa unang sulat ko ng tula. Pabili ng ginamit kong ballpen sa bagsak kong mga marka. Pabili po sa tindahan ng mga alaala. Lumilipas lang ang bawat sandali. Anong magagawa ko? Tao lang, tao ka lang. Sa isang iglap, nagbago ang lahat. Huwag kalimutang sariwain kung dalawin ka ng mga alaala.
Happy birthday, Jaira. Wishing you long life and happiness forever. Enjoy your day.
Hi Jaira, happy birthday.
Hi Jera, happy birthday. Sabay tayo.
Sana masaya ka.
Sana masaya ka.
At ang wish namin sa'yo, gumanda ang buhay mo. Tsaka yung baby mo, sana masundan pa ng lalaki. Sige, Jaira, happy birthday
Happy
na lang.
birthday.
Hi Jaira, this is Tita Jean. Kaarawan mo pala today, so I have a small message para sa'yo. So today is your day, ang unang prinsesang naging anak ng mama at papa mo. At doon nagsimula bumuo ng pamilya ang mama at papa mo dahil sa first child born at ikaw yon. At ngayon dahil isa ka na rin mother, alam mo na ang sitwasyon ng isang may pamilya. So, masarap na mahirap, di ba? Pero ganun pa man, mapalad ka kasi andyan ang mama mo, nakaagapay sa'yo. At handang laging tumulang yan sa anumang oras. Siyempre, mother yan eh. At ikaw naman bilang eldest sa mga kapatid mo, alam kong supportive ka. Most especially, siyempre, sa mama, di ba? Kasi I know love na love mo si mama. My wish for you is to more blessings, abundant in life, good health, and most especially is continue serving the Lord. Happy birthday, Jaira, and more years to come.
Blessed happy birthday, Jaira. Praying for more blessings. Will be a channel blessing to your family and sa katrabaho. As an instrument, be salt and light nasa gawain ng Panginoon. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Jai, happy birthday. We already knew what I am going to say, like you know that I love you, and I hope and I wish you all the best, of course. But aside from those things, I'm really proud of who you've become and how you are as a wife and as a mother. I am really proud of you, and I wish that 2026 and this year that is coming for you is the best when it comes to your life, or kung hindi man the best, is one of the best that's gonna come pa. You deserve everything that you have right now. You deserve to be happy, and I'm really happy that you have that kind of life right now. I'm really happy that you have Mike with you, you have Astrid, and I am proud of you, generally. I'm proud of who you've become, and I hope makapagkita tayo. I really miss both of you and Jewel. It's just been a hard year for me as well, and too much has happened. But yeah, see you soon, and happy birthday. Thank you for everything, and I'm proud of you always. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hey Jai, happy birthday. I'm so sorry for the late greeting. A lot of things happened. I can't wait to see you soon. I'm so proud of you, really. As not just for your work achievements and your academic achievements before, I know you too well. But as a person, really. Throughout all of this and everything, you were able to keep so much of yourself, and that is an achievement that not a lot of people can say that they could or they were able to get. I want you to remember that outside all of this, work, life, motherhood, you're one of the best people out there. Especially for me. You deserve everything good in life, and I pray for more blessings and for your good health to be extended. I pray for your dreams to come true all the time. You know you got me. Just a call away. I'm always here for you, for Mike, and for, of course, baby. And I couldn't have asked for a better sister than you. Your entire family loves you and is very, very, very blessed to have you. I love you. Mwah. Happy birthday.
Happy 27th birthday, Jaira. I wish you all the best and wishing you good health and more wisdom and success sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. At patuloy kitang pinapanalangin sa lahat ng mga plano mo at goals mo sa buhay. At maging ikaw, patuloy mong ilapit sa Panginoon lahat ng plano mo sa buhay mo para makamit mo ang lahat ng tagumpay. At I know na very successful ka ngayon sa iyong career, sa iyong work, and I know na masaya ka dahil andyan si Astrid sa buhay mo, ang iyong family, and maraming salamat dahil patuloy kang nakakasama namin kahit na may family ka na, at kasama ka ng mga kapatid mo at kami dito, at maraming nagmamahal sa iyo, Jaira. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Narito kaming pamilya mo para sa iyo. I love you and continue to serve God. I know someday na magkakasama kayo ng mga kapatid mong naglilingkod sa ating Panginoon. And I'm praying also sa yung baby, si Astrid, na maging kagaya ni mami niya, yung talino, lahat, no? Very smart. At maraming salamat sa Panginoon dahil nariyan kayong magkakapatid sa akin. And thank you again, anak, sa lahat ng pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa amin. And happy birthday. I love you. Mwah.
Pabili po ng alaalang kasalukuyan kung umasta. Pabili po ng galunggong sa presyong kaya pa ng bulsa. Pabili ng krayolang pinagpuputol ko nung elementarya, baka sakaling maisalba ang iginuhit kong barabara. Pabili po ng sandaling naging simula ng mga pangarap, kasi nakakalimot na ko kung paano ba magsikap. Pabili po sa tindahan ng mga alaala. Lumilipas lang ang bawat sandali. Anong magagawa ko? Tao lang, tao ka lang. Sa isang iglap, nagbago ang lahat. Huwag kalimutang sariwain kung dalawin ka ng mga alaala. Lumilipas lang ang bawat sandali. Kung di mo ipunin ay paano na? Hindi naman masamang magpahinga. Huwag kalimutang sariwain kung dalawin ka ng alaala.
Love you.